In this tutorial, I show you how to speed up or slow down video clips in CapCut. Now, the first thing you need to do is to select your video, and you can do it by just tapping on your video on the timeline here. Then come down here and select the option called speed, and then tap on normal. And now here you can see it is set to ×1. To make it fast, go ahead and increase this. If you leave it at that, it will be 2 times faster. And if you go ahead and try play it, you can see how faster it is. If you want to make it much slower, you can go ahead and reduce it to below 1, and we can reduce it maybe to that. And now if you go ahead and play it, it will be much longer but much slower than the original video. Now, should your video contain audio, you can also go ahead and change the audio speed to make the voice faster or slower using this change audio pitch here. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can also go ahead and change the pitch audio. For my case, this video does not have audio, and that's why we don't have the audio filter here. So once you are done, go ahead and tap on this tick to apply your changes. And if you tap on it, now your video will be much faster or much slower according to your preference. So that's how you increase or slow down the speed of your videos in CapCut using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.